Students and teachers use tasks to delegate project work amongst the team. To create a task, navigate to the Task section in the project dashboard. The task board, also known as a Kanban board, is a popular way to visualize and manage workflows in modern workplaces. Using the task board is a great way to introduce students to project management, a valuable 21st century skill. To create a task, click on the plus button to the right of the to-do column. Complete the task details, set a priority, add a due date, and a description of how the task will get done. Teachers can assign tasks to students, and students can assign tasks to themselves or other student team members. Multiple students can be added to the same task. When the task is ready, click Add. The task card will be added to the to-do column. Students can update their team members on the status of their task by dragging and dropping the task card to the In Progress and Done columns. To edit a task, click anywhere on the task. Edit the details, including adding a comment on the task card. Click Save to apply changes.